Upgrade your Gmail experience, unleashing hidden features you didn't know existed. Are you still using Gmail the old way? Read this. 1/introducing http://flot.ai. Your ChatGPT Copilot, finely tuned for Gmail supremacy. Seamlessly leverage ChatGPT within Gmail and expand that capability to any email client, AP doc, or website. Get started for free at 2. Respond with precision and ease. Simply highlight the email content, let Flot AI provide you with tailored reply suggestions, and reply with a single click. Three. Personalize your response using keywords. Highlight the email content, input your desired tone and key points, and tailor your reply effortlessly. For effortlessly compose emails from scratch. Pop up the Flot AI Copilot with a shortcut. Simply convey your intent and receive a meticulously crafted email content in return. Five. Craft emails authentically in your voice. With Flot's customizable profile options, tailor your emails for tone, formality, and professional context. Six. Use Flot as Anywhere ChatGPT Copilot, not only in Gmail. Activate Flot AI to assist with shortcuts or highlighting text, wherever and whenever you need. Seven. Use ChatGPT in Google Docs, Microsoft Word and Notion. Organize your ideas and generate titles, taglines, outlines, and copy with ease. 8. Use ChatGPT as your personal translator. Highlight and translate text effortlessly across over 200 languages. No matter what app or platform you're using. Nine. Use ChatGPT in X/Facebook/LinkedIn. Create engaging posts effortlessly. Highlight and respond to comments swiftly. Ten. Use ChatGPT in Slack/Teams. Enjoy smooth conversations with AI-assisted responses across any chat app. Chat with your foreign friends like a local. '11. Use ChatGPT for improving writing. Refine and polish your text to convey your message more effectively. '12. Use ChatGPT for essay writing. Input your title and watch as an entire essay unfolds before you.